Nagtag-ao.
Ladara. Pwede na na flashlight? Dili pwede? Oh. Ah, si Olaf! Hi, Olaf! Si Sven! Hi, Olaf! Hi, Sven! Hi! Sven and Olaf. Na-memorize naman na ako eh. Tahong anak. Oh, the trolls! The trolls!
On a day very much like today, Anna saved her sister with an unselfish act of true love, but full of frozen heart.
Oh, and now we're best friends!
Indeed.
Wait.
Exactly.
Ala, padong saka. Wow! Wara. Si Anna, si Christoph and Sven. Si Sven. Dili, napili ko yan din na kaysa Frozen.
You are choosing A. Like the West, you are playful and adventurous. And you are chosen. You are strong and grounded. You are chosen fire. You are full of enthusiasm and a love of life. Last but not least, you are chosen water. You are full of great power and wisdom.
似落黑咁啊！
Elsa, do you think we could summon one of the spirits? That's a great idea, of course. But we'll need some help from our friends here. You will help us, yes? Yes. But we spiritually summoned.
Mga bata,
Air, earth, fire, we could do fire, a water, maybe.
哦，火之靈，唔係，咪住。今日我有我
We also spend time with loved ones like you, Olaf.
我屋企人唔開心。
Yes, Elsa should be here soon. I sent her a message to visit us here, and we're eager to see her. Aren't you? Yes? Well, I know Elsa's favorite song, and I think if we sing it all together nice and loud, maybe she'll hear it.
外甥聽到我哋唱歌就會嚟探我哋。
That's right, Olaf. It's a song that Mother taught us when we were little. It goes like this. Repeat after me. Na 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 hey ya na.
嗱嗱嗱嘿呀嗱！
That was great, but I don't think Elsa heard. Louder, don't be shy.
大家大聲啲唱。
Na 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 hey ya na. Getting there one more time. Nice and deep. Na 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 hey ya na. Olaf, I think it's working. Do you think Elsa will like the pretty house? I hope so. Now let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here. I miss you so much.
哦，有咩冇得見到佢哋兩姊妹講講？
I miss you.
哦，點會㗎？我咪喺度咯。